Ecoverde Valeting brings an eco-friendly foam wash for your beloved car. Experience a deep, clean, and sparkling finish with precise detailing. Our detailing service guarantees a meticulous, hand-applied contact wash. Using premium eco-friendly solutions, we ensure the perfect finish while preserving your paintwork. Following the deep clean is the final rinse. The sight of the water rolling off proves the quality of our premium detailing. The Ecoverde Valeting service delivers this kind of flawless finish for your car. No detail is overlooked. We tackle the toughest grime on your wheels and brakes. Our dedicated cleaning ensures a spotless, factory-fresh look from every angle. Our specialized brushes safely remove caked-on brake dust and road contaminants. This meticulous process leaves your wheels shining just as brightly as the rest of your vehicle. In the final step, we apply a protective dressing that delivers a deep, rich shine and long-lasting defense against road elements. Quality is our promise. Book your detailing service today.